I think you have to learn that there's a company behind every stock, and that there's only one real reason why stocks go up. Companies go from doing poorly to doing well, or small companies grow to large companies.
Although it's easy to forget sometimes, a share is not a lottery ticket. It's part ownership of a business. You get recessions, you have stock market declines. If you don't understand that's going to happen, then you're not ready, you won't do well in the markets. The person that turns over the most rocks wins the game. And that's always been my philosophy. Everyone has the brain power to follow the stock market. If you made it through 5th grade math, you can do it. A stock market decline is as routine as a January blizzard in Colorado. If you're prepared, it can't hurt you. A decline is a great opportunity to pick up the bargains left behind by investors who are fleeing the storm in panic. The old Wall Street adage, "Never invest in anything that eats or needs repairs," may apply to racehorses, but it's malarkey when it comes to houses. The trick is not to learn to trust your gut feelings, but rather to discipline yourself to ignore them. Stand by your stocks, as long as the fundamental story of the company hasn't changed. People who succeed in the stock market also accept periodic losses, setbacks, and unexpected occurrences. Calamitous drops do not scare them out of the game. Go for a business that any idiot can run, because sooner or later any idiot probably is going to be running it. Whenever you invest in any company, you're looking for its market cap to rise. This can't happen unless buyers are paying higher prices for the shares, making your investment more valuable.